just happy. She's in her new home. I'm just so happy right now. I'm just happy. Right now I'm at the house and trying to get the 240 on the wraps here. So it's right here. It's on a wrapper. Yeet. What's up? How you doing? Yeah, gonna try to take her home tonight. This is too low to get. It's too low to be on a trailer. So we're gonna try to drive it. Yeah, I haven't seen it in a while either. Miss it. I'm gonna try to drive it to our destination, our new spot. Yeah, there you go. Look at it. Look at the thing. Look at the thing. Alright, so let's get a jump. Alright, so we got some. Put the keys out. Put the lights on. Let's see. There is no light on the dashboard, and this is something that we're gonna fix in this video because I love this car so much that I just need to fix this issue. 86, and it's gonna be outside with the S5 while I'm working on it. It's gonna be a lot of workspace. It doesn't feel clustered at all. And it's so crazy that I said that, and as the moment I get all the cars together, the garage is packed. There's no space. But that's it. After hours of digging, I found that this TCU box that sits on the side, your kick panel, right by the, where you rest your foot by the clutch, right there by the fuse box, it's right there, and it controls all the lighting inside the car. I popped it open here so you could see it, and as I turn it over, you'll notice that the circuit wire on the board is actually burned right here. You gotta basically take it apart to verify that this is what's going on, and if this is what is going on, that's why you have no lights. All you gotta do, what I did was I had a little LED strip, and I took the wiring from the LED strip that is about the same gauge of the wire that's on the circuit board, give and take, and I just welded on, get it on there so this way the lights would work. And there you go. In the time I did that, I also replaced the bulbs that was in my cluster, and look how pretty that thing is. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.